Hi, it's nice to see you give yoga a shot. Let's begin our yoga for absolute beginners routine. You can sit in any seated position that's comfortable for you, be it cross-legged. You can even take some wall support if required with your hips completely against the wall, but spine has to be straight. And let's begin with some simple but very important joint exercises, a very important part of our routine. Bring your chin to your chest and inhale while rotating upwards. Exhale while coming down. Follow your breath and continue. We're going to do 5 clockwise, 5 anti-clockwise. And after this round, start in the opposite direction. And inhale, come to the center. Next, you'll place your palms on your knees and we're going to do shoulder rotations, back to front, gentle movements. Again, you can inhale while going up, exhale while coming down. And after this round, start in the opposite direction. Good job, relax. Next, we're going to do side bending. So you're going to inhale at the center, palms facing each other. Exhale, your elbow will come on the mat and you'll stretch the other arm in line with your body. Feel the stretch on the side of your waist. Try to reach your elbow to the mat, but your hips have to remain on the mat. So if you're not able to do it, it's fine if your elbows are off the mat. And you bend towards the right. Feel the stretch on the side of your waist. Inhale, center. Exhale, switch to the other side. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Hold the pose this time. Keep breathing. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, center. Exhale, switch to the other side. 3, 2, palm is facing down. And 1. Inhale, center. Exhale, release. Good job. Next, open your legs in front of you. Bring the soles of your feet together and pull them as close to your groin as you can. Interlock your fingers around your toes. Spine has to be straight here. There should be no pressure on your back while doing this. So spine straight and start flapping your legs like a butterfly, Titli Asana. Keep flapping. This is very good for your hips, very good for your reproductive organs. A must add to everyone's routine. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stay there. Next, you're going to place your palms on your knees and try to press them down. Elbows are pointing up and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Good job. Let's move to table position. In any pose in which you're putting weight on your hands, fingers have to be wide apart, palms completely rested on the mat. This is important to protect your wrists. So your wrists will come in line with your shoulders, knees will be in line with hips. As we inhale, we're going to look up, press our lower back down. Exhale, chin to chest and torso up. Inhale up, lower back down. Exhale, chin to chest and torso up. Continue. A very good stretch for your back. You can add it to your daily routine. You could even do it as soon as you wake up or right before going to bed, on your bed itself. Continue. Follow your breath. Final round, look up, hold the pose this time, keep breathing. 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, chin to chest and hold the pose. 3, 2, and 1. Make your spine neutral. Next, we're going to raise our left arm up. Look at the palm above. You're stretching the middle part of your upper back. Keep breathing. If this is too much on your wrists, you can bring your elbow to the mat and then do it. Hold the pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stay in your position. I'm just switching so that you can watch me as we move to the next pose. So you've raised your left arm up. Now you're going to take that arm between your right palm, right knee. Take them in between. Bring your left ear to the mat. Knee and hip remain in one line. And you're going to stretch your right arm over your head and relax here. You can even close your eyes if you want. Keep breathing. Try to keep this shoulder behind your ear rather than ahead. And hold. Focus on your deep breaths. In thread the needle pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your right palm to the mat. Raise your left arm up once again. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Left palm back to the mat. Good job. Let's switch to the other side. Stay where you are.
Raise your right arm up, look at the palm above, keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Thread the needle. Take your arm between your left palm, left knee. Knees and hips remain in one line. Bring your ear to the mat. Stretch your left arm over your head. Give in to gravity and relax here. You can even close your eyes. Focus on your breath, on the sensations of your body. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your left palm back to position and raise your right arm up. Look at the palm above. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Back to table. Next, while you're here, you're going to stretch your left leg behind you. Inhale here. Exhale, knee towards elbow. Inhale, extend, gaze in front. Exhale, knee towards nose. Inhale, extend. Exhale, crunch. Let's do 3 more. Continue. And after this round, slowly come back to table position. Let's switch to the other side. Stretch your right leg behind you. Also, if you're a newcomer, please don't hesitate to take breaks anytime you want. You're welcome to pause the video, take a break, and then resume. And keep taking small sips of water whenever required. So right leg is stretched back. Inhale here, gaze in front. Exhale, knee towards nose. Inhale, extend. Exhale, crunch. Keep going. This time extend and back to table position. Now let's do a little bit of core engagement. So your fingers are wide apart, palms are rested. If your wrists have been sensitive, don't do this pose. You can bring your elbows to the mat and then do this version again, because this will involve a little of arm strength as well. Otherwise, maintain this position, neutral spine, and slowly tuck your toes. Pull your navel towards your spine and gently lift your knees off the mat. Just 3 inches off the mat, not too far up. Your hips are not going up. They're not too far low either. Just slightly off the mat. Hold. 5, 4. Observe how your core is getting engaged. 3, 2, and 1. Bring your knees to the mat, feet together, Knees wide apart, hips close to your heels. Extend your arms in front and head towards the mat. This is child's pose. This is a pose you can move to anytime you want to take breaks during your yoga practice. A good stretch for the spine and a good relaxing pose. We're going to hold it for some time. If you want to feel the stretch, keep your arms straight. If you want to relax, you can relax your elbows. Your choice. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come up. If you're comfortable coming to Vajrasan, diamond pose with your hips on your heels, knees together, you can sit here or you can move to any seated position that's comfortable for you. Palms on your lap, facing the ceiling. Eyes closed. Take a deep breath in and down. In and relax. In and down. Thank yourself for taking out time to honor your body, your mind. May you carry this peaceful and positive energy with you throughout. Rub your palms together, generate heat in them. Place them on your eyes and gently open your eyes with a smile on your face. Good job all of you. Keep your practice going.